Knowledge 8. I had a thought which I wanted to share. The elders of a family, especially parents, often use a statement which they believe indicates their right guidance, namely, elders know best. To be honest, this statement was true in the day of the righteous predecessors, as the elders at that time used to strive in gaining and acting on beneficial knowledge. They put aside their own opinions and thinking, and instead adopted the advice of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Because of their sincere efforts, they were granted right guidance by Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 69.
And those who strive for us, we will surely guide them to our ways.
Therefore, this statement applied to them, and the youngsters in those days benefited if they acted on the advice of these elders. But unfortunately, times have changed. In this day and age, the majority of elders do not seek nor act on beneficial knowledge. Instead, the vast majority act on their cultural practices, which in most cases do not have a foundation in Islamic teachings. They flee from beneficial knowledge and are very content with these teachings based on made-up cultural practices. Because of this ignorance, elders are now sometimes right and sometimes wrong. Therefore, the statement "elders know best" no longer applies. It is important to note this does not mean a Muslim should ignore or disrespect their elders, as this completely contradicts the teachings of Islam. They should instead strive to gain correct beneficial knowledge, hear the advice of others, including their elders, and then make a choice which is indicated by Islam in all their matters, even if it contradicts the opinions of others. A Muslim should not blindly follow their elders, as this in most cases will lead them away from the teachings of Islam. Chapter 6 Al-An'am, verse 116.
And if you obey most of those upon the earth, they will mislead you from the way of Allah. They follow not except assumption, and they are not but misjudging.
This is possible to do while maintaining respect for others, especially one's elders. If Muslims do this, then perhaps a day will come when this statement will once again be true. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.